Hello, we will be continuing with the Five Nights at Freddy's series. In this video, I will be showing another example of the interaction system for the lights. It is best that you watched the doors tutorial as I set up the master interactable object there. Also, I have added a map that I found online. I will send a download link below, or if you have your own that's fine too. Anyway, here is the final result, a simple light system which can be expanded on. Continuing on, in the content browser, in your folder, create an actor for your light. Open it up and add a component like the spotlight. At this point, it just takes a bit of patience to get it right. Okay, so in the world, once you place the BP lights, you can try adjusting them, and playing with the lights. If it is not intense for you, play with the intensity or even get an IES texture and add that on, to give a special light shape. You can play with that specific intensity too. I will adjust light color and other parts too. Now it is best to do it in the actual blueprint itself instead of the world, but this was me re-recording these footages and I did rush trying to set things up. I also added a cube, to act as my fake animatronic such as Bonnie or Chica looking at you from the door so you can know where to place your light. With this done, I can work on the button interaction to switch on and off the lights. Find the BP interactable button you created last time. If you haven't, I will quickly show off the code so you can at least see what I have done. Just a simple mouse interaction with two custom events which we can use for our child actors. Anyway, if you right-click this button, there will be an option to create a child actor. Name it BP Light Switch. I will probably make a video on how I name my assets and organizations. As soon as this opens, I want to add in a variable of the lights actor, so I can get data from that actor. I don't know if BP Light is a good name, as it has so many light actors, so it could get confusing. Go to the event graph and right-click. Search for event switched. Make sure it's red so that we can write code. We will need both events. Get the light to control variable and we want to get the light component, so I get the spotlight and change intensity from 0 or to the max intensity. Next, we want to get the static mesh of our button so we can switch between on-off materials. If you haven't made the materials yet, it is just a simple emissive color which I did in the last video. This is just a blue emissive button like in the games. I will also make another metallic gray material to act as the off button. I will create a material instance. In the earlier episodes, I created a master base color material so I can just instance that, and after this is done. In the world, we need to place the buttons. I then forgot to actually make the light variable public. This way, I can set the variable in the world. I will just select the light and do the same to the other button. At this point, we are done. I am just going to make sure that this room is lit properly using a point light. At this point, you should have a working system. Next time, I will be working on a power system. Quite close to getting to the animatronics. On the side, I will make singular tutorials for other mechanics and just in general development. Hope you enjoyed this video, and consider subscribing. See you next time.